Today in the state of Maryland where you live, it's 45 degrees Fahrenheit, partly sunny. Feels like 44 degrees, wind 2 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 29.86 inch, humidity 67%, and then finally dew point with fewer than 30 degrees, but it's 28 degrees. And as you can see on these days of the weeks, it's going to be around mostly going to be partly sunny. So I'll say it again. It'll be mostly going to be partly sunny around tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and finally Sunday. All right? So we're going to stick with the 56 degrees, partly sunny. Now we're gonna go to the Doppler radar, which is around radar opposition. So radar opposition, you can see it's going to be around Pennsylvania. It's going to be snowing, and even around New York. Even Michigan showing the snow. New York City showing snow, and even around Pennsylvania. There won't be no snow around in the state of Maryland because it's still fall season. So the direction of radar opposition is going to be on the eastbound side. The precipitation. Precipitation is going to be coming towards Pennsylvania on the eastbound side, and it's going to be coming to the Garrett County around in the state of Maryland. If you live in Garrett County, you'll see the precipitation around 0.01 on the yellow stuff. You can see around the yellow stuff in Pennsylvania. Precipitation. West Virginia is showing precipitation. Precipitation is in New York, Ohio, Michigan. It's gonna clear up. So precipitation is gonna clear up in Michigan, and even coming towards around New Hampshire on the top. It's gonna be on the East Coast. So with no precipitation, it's gonna be around Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, even Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. With the future cast of the satellite of the land. So satellite is moving on the eastbound side. So satellite is in Michigan, Ohio, New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York City, New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, coming towards around on the I-95 corridor, which is around in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware, in Baltimore and in Washington, and even going towards around Virginia, and even the satellites in North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, showing satellite as well. So today it's going to be around partly sunny, but still it's going to be clouds in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware. The direction of clouds is going to be on different directions. Just a little bit on the northbound side, the eastbound side, gonna go all the way on the circle, as you can see here. I want you to take a look. You can see the clouds are going to be on the eastbound side, going towards the land and going towards the water on the ocean side. So the name we have around the clouds. Clouds is in Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, West Virginia. We're going to get to Maryland in just a moment, but first we're going to stick with the other United States names, okay? So New York, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, New Jersey, even around in the state of Maryland and the state of Delaware. So it's moving around the clouds. So the temperatures are showing on the green stuff around the 50s in the state of Maryland and state of Delaware where you live. The other United States, as you can see here, though everywhere in the United States it'll be freezing day outside. If you feel outside, it's going to be cold outside. So now the colors are turning blue. The 15 degrees around New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Kentucky, Indiana, Michigan. So it's going to be moving up for today and even around tomorrow. It's going to be from 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. for tomorrow. So yeah, and then even tomorrow it's going to be around the cold forecast, around the blue stuff, and on the dark green one around the 30s and on the 40s. In North Carolina, you can see there will be definitely going to be on just almost getting towards the 70s, but in North Carolina, South Carolina, there will definitely going to be on the 50s on the green stuff. So like I said, in the state of Maryland, temperatures are showing on the blue, the dark green, and on the green one. If we combine it, you can see it will definitely going to be on the 40s and on the 50s. because the 40s is going to be around partly sunny. Moving on. So, in the state of Maryland, there will definitely going to be mostly on the 40s. So, look at the numbers. So, there will be on the 40s where you live in the state of Maryland. Alright. So, we're going to start off with Bel Air. So, Bel Air is showing 45. Belcamp showing exactly the same thing. Catonsville, 46. Chesapeake City, 45. Chestertown, 46. Churchville, 45. Columbia, 46. Columbia, 46. Conowingo, 44. Darlington, showing exactly the same thing. Dundalk, showing 45. Edgewood, 46. Elridge, 46. Elton, 45. Ellicott City, 46. Essex, same thing around 46. Fallston, 45. Frederick, 42. Glen Burnie, 46. Hagerstown, 41. Hillthorpe, 46. Happy Grace, 43. Georgeville, 45. Same thing in Jesup. Same thing in Joppatown. Same thing in Kingville. Lower, 47. Middle River, 46. Nottingham, 45. Ocean City, it's going to be nearly towards the 50s. But right now, 49 degrees with a small craft advisory. Owens Mills, 44. Perry Hall, 45. Perryville, 43. Pikeville, 45. Queenstown, 46. Reynoldstown and Wrightstown showing the clouds around 45 and 44. Rising Sun, 44. Riverside, 45. Rosedale, 46. Savage, 46. Towson, 46. Whiteford, 44. White March, 45. Same thing in Joppa. Northeast, 45. The same thing. Aberdeen, 44, and finally Aberdeen Proving Ground showing exactly the same thing. So Aberdeen and Aberdeen Proving Ground showing the mostly sunny around 44. Moving on to Annapolis showing 46, and finally Abingdon, 45. So average high almost getting towards the 60 degrees. Average low fewer than 40 degrees, with the record high showing 80 degrees, 2003. Record low showing fewer than 20 degrees, 2014. Average rainfall showing 3.7 inch. We're getting towards the snow days around November, but there won't be no snow. It's still going to be cloudy outside. Alright guys, we are definitely got plenty of time to check out the day details. So I want you to take a look. So day details. Day, expect partly sunny skies. The high will be 56. Night, the sky will be partly cloudy. The low will be 35. Temperatures near freezing. With the sunrise, 7:03 a.m. Sunset, 4:44 p.m. Moonrise, 12:12 a.m. Moonset, 1:38 p.m. And the moon phase, raining crescent. Where the precipitation is going to be fewer than 10%. Well, right now it's 8%. Humidity, 40%. UV index, too low. Max wind, 11 miles per hour. Record rain showing 2.57 inch, 1993. Average rain showing 0.17 inch. Temperatures are showing the record high showing nearly 70 degrees, 2011. Average high showing 55 degrees. Record low showing more than 20 degrees, 1996. And finally, average low, 36 degrees. Like I said, today it's going to be around, probably sunny around the 50s and on the more than 40s. But we're going to stick with the 50s because we will put it on the description below. Now tomorrow it's going to be around 44 degrees, partly sunny. Now here's the rest of the forecast. So this time we're gonna get to the other icon weather where you live in just a moment. But first we're gonna stick with the forecast around partly sunny. So partly sunny is gonna be around Tuesday around 50. Wednesday showing exactly the same thing. Thursday is gonna be 61 degrees. Saturday is gonna be 49. Sunday is gonna be 48. And that's it. So Monday, the next Monday is going to be around 52 degrees, mostly cloudy. And then Tuesday is going to be cloudy around 47. And finally, Thursday, it's going to be around 61 degrees, partly sunny. Well, actually, Friday is going to be 48 degrees, rain showers.